My hayabusa water pump started leaking. Let's change it. Step 1. Remove the shifter linkage. Step 2. Remove chain and sprocket cover. Take notes because these bolts are different lengths. Step 3. Remove the hoses and two bolts holding the water pump. Carefully pull out pump, taking notes in the position of the shaft. Lubricate the O-ring on the pump and carefully install the unit. This cut in the shaft needs to interlock with the key in the next picture. Install the two bolts for the water pump. Reinstall all hoses. Reinstall the sprocket cover. Make sure the clutch shaft is aligned when installing the sprocket cover. Reinstall the shifter linkage. Tighten everything and add coolant. All set!